In search, there are terms and phrases where search queries can operate on either a phrase or a term. Searching for a term uses the following format: field, term, where the field is the column you're searching in, and the value or the term is what you're looking for. This could be a text or it could be a number, and is driven by the type of field you designate. There's special syntax that can be used to retrieve all of the documents. Star: What this denotes is search for any value in any column. Looking at some examples, if we want to retrieve all the documents, we use this special notation. We could also retrieve documents where the fields aren't null, as well as searching for documents where a field matches a specific term. An entire phrase could also be searched in a field. This value must match the terms in the same order, and double quotes will be needed to denote a phrase. It's important to note that phrases and wildcards cannot be used in conjunction in the same query. But you can search for multiple terms in a field. Use parentheses to make a grouping of terms. This will return documents that match any of these search terms. Searching for multiple fields can also be accomplished. Multiple fields can be searched using the same format, field: term. These results will include rows that match any of the field term combinations. Boolean operations allow terms to be combined into unique and flexible conditional search expressions, which can add to or limit the documents that get returned in the search results. And you can further group these to further control the results. You can make a term required by adding to the beginning of a term or a phrase. This will denote that the term is required to be in the document field on the search. Required term is processed regardless of other Boolean operators. Similarly, you can prohibit a term, adding another notation to the beginning of the word or the term. This will exclude documents that match this prohibited term. The prohibited term is processed regardless of other Boolean operators. The not operator is similar to prohibit and will exclude documents that match the following term. And of course, you can enclose multiple terms within parentheses to create subqueries. These groups can be chained with a Boolean operator to expand the query, and multiple terms can be grouped together without an operator, which will default to the OR Boolean operator. Timestamps are also supported in your schema specifications, and they follow a specific format. The default time zone is UTC, and milliseconds are optional. Now let's try to put our newfound knowledge of terms, phrases, and forming SQL search requests into action with an exercise.